SpongeBob SquarePants is a yellow sea sponge who lives in a pineapple under the sea. He is the star of one of the most famous cartoons in the world. A cartoon is a special kind of movie. Artists draw many pictures that are a little different. When we show them quickly, one after another, it looks like the pictures are moving. Cartoons can be funny or exciting. Both children and adults enjoy watching them. SpongeBob SquarePants is a yellow sea sponge. He lives in the underwater city called Bikini Bottom. His house is a big pineapple. SpongeBob has big blue eyes. His body has many small holes, just like a real sponge. He wears brown square pants, a white shirt, and a red tie. That's why his name is SquarePants. A man named Steven Hillenburg made SpongeBob. He was very special because he knew a lot about sea life. He studied ocean animals as his job. He also loved to draw. One day, he had a funny idea. He thought, what if a sponge could live like a person? This is how SpongeBob was born. The first SpongeBob cartoon appeared on TV in 1999. SpongeBob has a pet snail named Gary. Gary says, meow, like a cat. Every morning, SpongeBob wakes up early. He eats his favourite cereal for breakfast. Then he goes to work at the Krusty Krab restaurant. At the Krusty Krab, SpongeBob is a fry cook. He makes delicious Krabby Patties. These are special hamburgers that everyone loves. Mr. Krabs owns the restaurant. He is a red crab who likes money very much. Another worker is Squidward. He is an octopus who plays the clarinet. Squidward is often grumpy and doesn't like SpongeBob's happy nature. SpongeBob's best friend is Patrick Star. Patrick is a pink starfish. He lives under a rock. Patrick isn't very smart, but he is very funny. Together, they go jellyfishing. They catch jellyfish with special nets. Sometimes the jellyfish sting them, but they still have fun. SpongeBob tries to drive a boatmobile, but he is very bad at it. He always fails his driving test, but he never stops trying. He always stays happy and positive. SpongeBob teaches us good things. He shows us how to be happy. He is always a good friend. He never gives up. His stories make people laugh. Children and adults around the world enjoy his adventures. Would you like to watch SpongeBob's cartoons? You can see his funny underwater life and learn English too.